Hello and welcome to this channel. This is a mathematics channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, comment, hit the like button and share. So in this video, we are going to look at this question here. Evaluate this expression. Okay, let's first rewrite this expression. So we have 64 over 125 to the power negative 1 over 3. Okay, so now to work this out or to evaluate this, first of all, you need to make the power positive. This power is negative, so you need to make it positive by swapping the denominator with the numerator. So you are going to swap the numerator with the denominator like this. So then you are going to have 125 over 64. And immediately you have this, it means the power changes to positive. Okay, now from the laws of indices, if you have a number, let's say a number a to the power a fraction, let's say b over c. The c here is the root, okay? Then the b is the power or exponent. Then this number here is called the base, okay? Now, the whole thing can now be written as the root of c. So here you're going to put a c. This c here belongs here. Then a, which is the base. Then everything raised to the power b. So this and that is the same. This and that are the same. So coming to this, whatever is in the brackets is the base. So meaning we're going to have this. Okay. Following this, we are going to have here, we'll put a 3. So we'll put a 3 there. So meaning cube root, then this base will come inside here. So 125 over 64. Then everything is being raised to the power. So this is a power, it's 1. So the power is 1. So the cube root of 125 is 5 over the cube root of 64 is 4. Then being raised to the power 1. Okay? So now here, anything raised to the power 1 is just itself. So you have 5 over 4, which simplifies as 1. How many 4s are in 5s? It's 1, remainder 1 over 4. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, comment, hit the like button and share. Goodbye. See you in the next video.